Hello guys! Today this is a video. Sorry if your volume is really high up, but anyways, we will make a video. This is my friend Nathan. He's a YouTuber, but he doesn't have a check on his head. But that's why. Why are we being slow? The imposter will easily get us.
Not
So, okay. Sorry for jump scaring you in the start of the video. What the heck is that? Sorry, I was trying to think. 6, 7. Sorry, we're still kids, so we have to go to school.
I hate school so much.
We tomorrow we don't have school, and as I was a cave said, I have trouble speaking English.
I'm ready.
We are Filipinos. I will say
Number kinder.
I will say hello, but in Tagalog. Kamusta po?
Konnichiwa.
It's really a
Korean.
when I wait for someone to
Pero, tapos ganito pa tayo mga siyala dosis.
you keep every time you keep saying that same word. Like bring that word.
That's not a brain at all.
I don't care.
Roro is the stupid imposter.
Secret, not
Impostorito.
roll your roll your
Let's go to electrical and doll. Please. That's stupid.
roll your involve. roll your involve on Merrily.
I'm scared.
I'm sorry, I'm a little bit stressing out for someone trying. Jump scare alert! Don't. I don't. Sorry for if you're. Let's say. They don't have a flip face. My Nathan's cat is right here that I got nothing. The Why didn't you bet?
I was gonna be.
Why didn't you bet? My throat is burning. I don't care if my throat is burning.
Go.
I'm only thinking why didn't you bet? In your throat. Lol. Okay guys, I'm right in the other side.
Y'all.
Jump scare alert! A dead body. Report the dead body. I will stop yapping or something, so I will be quiet in this. See, do again.
Kaman is in admin. My goodness. Let's watch the imposter. Oh, stupid imposter is gonna die. Clear is left, boy.
Why is he spectating a dead body? Right, like why is he spectating a dead
Yeah.
I was wondering.
Yeah.
I was wondering why is purple spectating a freaking dead body? Like we can't spectate it.
ABK.
Oh, I forgot to.
Oh, the snowman.
Oh, it don't. I forgot. I need to stay quiet. Okay.
This snowman outfit, but this is the most coolest. Why?
I said so boring. So be quiet, okay?
Don't care.
Don't. Bro thought I was gonna slap him.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
What the fuck? Why did you slap yourself?
We're not. Ice cream. It's Roro again.
I forgot to be quiet. What do you think?
Stupid Roro.
Yes. Keep. Is that the? Oh, I thought it was Roro, but Roro. So
But I left. But I left.
yeah.
Bush friend. Sana may sarong play. Why is there a one player named Amposter? Imposter! Butin out! It's like Imposter. I broke my leg.
Thanks. What? Why would you say thanks for nothing?